Oh please, I couldn't care about your T's and C's. I'm J to the M to the E. I make GRIM to the E. I make you bob your head to the beat, from the SW to the N to the E. Bare M to the C sport, they can swim with the sharks until they enter the sea. Blue cool, big up N to the G. Footsie, D to the E to the E. I show bare love like I to the E. Been like this from my N to the C. Yeah, grind, I rep to the T. 140, yeah, I kept to the beat. If you want a bad boy grind remix, then just give me or skip to the P. Say, you hype too much, but I don't see you fight too much. That's why you're not like too much. You've been snorting the white too much. You man swear on your life too much. Careful or you might die too much. Bare MCs just lie too much. If not, then they say like too much. Easy peasy, similes used frequently really gets on my nerves. Reason Jamie's lyrically sick recently, I don't pet with my words. Beef me really, you're chatting on street C, but you don't step on the curb. These fake greasy MCs come against me, but see I rep for the nuts. I was out the game, but now I'm inside. Met some of my best pals in grind. Richard Cowie, Spider-Man James McCabe, and Jamek Power inside. Temper T said shower down time. Take music serious, no lies. Now my bad boy Megazord whip's got more features than I was 5. Juju man, voodoo doer, Mike Lowry, any YouTube viewer. Original dead girlfriend slewer, so I don't care what you do to her. Stop chatting shit, poo-poo chewer. Came from the gutter, came from the sewer. Any man that chats talk, I will take out your eyeball with a bamboo skewer. I roll with Aaron and Aaron. Frequently I get stopped by the gammon, cause my whip looks like it should be owned by Jeremy Clarkson or Richard Hammond. Feds call me like I'm a drug baron. Chatting bare shit, can't understand them. In the stereo I got Krept and Conan. In the boot I got my Kreps and my Canon. I don't own a Blackberry. Ask for my pin and get slapped heavy. Call me a rude kid or a maniac, but beats I ain't sharing them like Teddy. The only thing I will share like Jack is lyrics. I'll spray whenever you're ready. Don't ask why I'm looking in your boat with your big head fam. You got a ferry. I ain't a killer but DPMO. Run up on guys with a green leaf camo. Bad boy 11 Paris leather jacket, full back, it's not CP famo. See my black lips on your TV channel. Bare MCs wanna be me, I know. You will never be like JME. I told you on my last CD, Rago. I had a do-rag straight at birth. God sent me here to make shit worse. Nobody wants a punch in the face, cause when you get punched in the face, it hurts. Jump in the whip, spaceship turbs. Open my drink, shake it first. When I drive my car, don't move fam. The wheels turn and it just drapes the earth. I am so raw in a rave. JME on court on stage. As soon as I spit 1, 4 and an 8, I will leave the dance floor in a state. You're not lord of the place. You jack couple guys before with your mates. You're not a bad man cause you rob someone fam. You're just poor and brave. Beef, slam doors in your face. Uppercut, leave your jaw in a brace. Man will draw for the hadak that duken. Leave you on the floor snoring away. MCs think they're raising a bar by spitting on 14 genres a day. Say, raising a bar makes it easier for me to score anyway. One take.